Hello learners, welcome to charAt. Today we will be learning strings and methods related to it. We will try to create a variable. We have byte. If you try to create a variable, we have byte, short, int, long, double, boolean, etc. And we have to specify the type of it. As we have to specify the type of it. Now, if you want to store multiple characters, say Java, JAVA, which is a group of characters. Now, if you want to store it, we have to do it in a string data type within double quotes. This string is a class. We can create object of this class, this string by string name. We can create an object of this string. But here to assign, we will give the data type string followed by the variable name. Suppose the variable name is name here, and for this we have to assign we have to assign an object to it equals, which is equal to new string followed by open and close bracket. So this name, suppose having address 105, having no data in the beginning. Now this is we can assign a string to a variable having a string data type, where string name equals within double quotes Java. So within a double quote Java, and assign this to a variable name, and the variable now needs to be of a string data type, which is basically a class. This is declaring a string. Now string is immutable. That is, once a string is created, its value cannot be changed. Any option that seems to modify it will return a new string object. Any operation that seems to modify it will return a new object, string object. Now there can be various methods to change it, and to implement this method, to implement this things inside the string data type can be of, then there can be various methods. Here the methods are named as, here the methods can be as, here string name equals name. This is the way of assigning a new string class, and this is the way of giving a data type string name, variable name, his name is given data type string, and the value Java is written within double quotes. This is assignment of Java to the variable name as name here. Now there can be various methods. So the methods belong such as length. Methods are as follows: length. This returns the length of the string. Here the Java is the length, so it will return the length of this word Java. So here it will return the length of this word Java. Now there is other method called as charAt. It will return a specified character at a particular specified index. charAt, and the index it will be denoted by different positions, like first word stands for 0th letter, and second word first letter, second letter, third letter. If here in the place of index we have tried the 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, the index numbers. Now substring that has two parameters, start and end. It will extract a part of the string. Suppose we want to extract AV, so we will be writing 1 to 2, and it will be extracting 1 to 2, AV substring. It will extract a string that is written within the string. Now we have other method called equals. Here it compares a string and is case sensitive, means it compares if it will not return the characters or letters which doesn't have the similar cases means capital letters or small letters. Equals ignored case. It compares these two strings without comparing their cases, ignoring their cases. Here it will compare two strings and it will ignore the cases. It will tell that both strings are equal, even if the cases are different for both the words or Now you compare to. It is lexicographical comparison. It will compare two strings even only compare two method. It will compare, it is lexicographical comparison, means it will compare two strings, and contains, it checks if a particular sequence exists in a given string. This this method to contain this method contains this method or not, if it goes for that method. Replace, now replacing of characters, it will just replace the characters, replaces the characters with the specified string, in the specified string which is written before the space and followed by dot, and within the bracket, within the bracket we have to mention the string which we need to replace. Now two lowercase that convert, and two uppercase to convert the cases. Suppose if the cases are small letters, we have to convert it to uppercase, we have to convert, and if the letters are upper letter, we have to convert it to lowercase. Yeah. Now coming to trim method. It removes the leading or trailing spaces. It removes the leading or trailing space. That means it removes the spaces that is in the beginning or at the end of the specified string. Now split method. This method splits the string based on the range. Here you have to specify the range, the beginning range and ending range, and it will differentiate. It will bifurcate both the strings. Depends upon the range which you will specify. Now index of or last index of. This method find the index of character or substring. This will find the index of the character. This will find the index. Index means it will find the position of that character or substring within the string. Now E double equal to comparing the references. Suppose if you have double equal to compare the references. Yeah. If suppose A equals B, it will compare if that both the strings have the same address or not. If suppose if you are replacing this by x equals to y, x equals y, it will tell whether the variable in the x is equal to y. That is the data comparison. This comparison is the address value comparison. This compares address value comparison, and here it compares the data comparison. It is a data comparison. If the both data are same or not, it will compare up to that values. Yeah. Now we are done with it. And we will go on to performing exercise. We will performing exercise. We will finding it more easy to understand. Now going up to it, let's make a program. To reverse the letters in the word. Yeah. Suppose we are having a string here, original is the name of the string, and string is the data type of the string, and it is assigned with the value hello world. Now string reverse. Now we are taking a new string which is named as reversed, and new string builder. We are taking a new string builder. We are reversing that. For that we have the string builder which will be helping us to reverse that string. Now new string builder, original dot reverse. Original means here we have to give the original string or name of the string, or name of the original string is the original dot reverse. This method with reverse the string to the string and we have to write the string in a string format only. To string. It will be converted to string only. It will check and convert to string only. Now we will finally print the output of this value. Running this program gives us the output. Reverse string equals hello world, which is reverse now. TLROWOLLEH. Yeah, this is the reverse string. Now we will moving on to the next program. We will check if the specified characters are present in the user's input or not, user's name input or not. Here. We will be printing everything the same, the class name, the main line of Java main method, and then we will be performing the scanner. We will be importing the scanner for from java.util.scanner. For this scanner we are taking the input through the system by the user, and the string username that will be given by the users only. For this, if we'll check if the username matches within double quotes and within the square braces, we should write within double quotes and within the square braces we will writing small a to small z, capital A to capital Z, and 0 to 9. If it matches these values, then it's a valid username, then system.out.println valid username, else it's invalid username. And then finally we will be closing the scanner class. For this we will be running this program and finding out the output on the console. When the program is run, yeah, it will ask for the username. Suppose we will be giving username java 8, java 8. This is a java 8. Yeah, and run the program, and we will run the program. Yeah, enter the username. We will be giving java 8. Oh wait, there has been some error. I'll run again and see to it. Yeah, again running the program and finding out the output. We can very well see that we have entered java 8 as the input and we are finding out the output. Now the output is valid as the letters, that it contains letters and numbers. Now we will be including java 8 with a capital letter, small letters, and a digit. Enter a username java8. Here we have J, which is a capital letter, and rest is followed by small letters, and there is a digit also. Now we will be running the program. Yeah, it's again showing error. Yeah, now java 8, capital letters, small letters, and that numbers. So it's valid because it is containing capital letter 8, capital A to capital Z, small a to small z, which is AVA, and the letters numbers from 0 to 9. So thank you. We'll be meeting in the next class.